Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're all having a wonderful Friday. Yeah, I don't know when this vlog will be coming out, but today is Friday the 17th of March and I'm excited, happy. Currently the furniture company, they are downstairs, they are fixing the dining table and they are going to be fixing the bed. I think it's currently 7 p.m. or 7:30. like they came really late. They've been like trying to come late like since on Wednesday, but the issue is that because the kids go to school early in the morning, they usually go to bed from 7:30 to 8 p.m. so there's no way I'm going to like let anyone come in and start working at that time, which is like going to like keep the kids out. So today is Friday and tomorrow there is no school, so I don't really mind even though I'm working tomorrow. Yeah, so I'm on day shift tomorrow, I'm not working tonight. So guys, let me quickly take you guys to let's unbox my new Hoover. Let's go and unbox our new Hoover. Like I love this Hoover. Yeah, you'll see it when I unbox it. Misha, do you want to come? I love this Hoover. Like I've been waiting to move into this house before I get that Hoover, else I would have gotten it for long now. Like it's wireless, like it's kind of cordless. All you just have to do is to like hold it like you're holding a little mop and hoover around the whole house. So that's like the most interesting part.
Is it like a vacuum?
Hoover. Yeah, it's a vacuum. So are you happy today is Friday?
Yes.
They had non-uniform day today, so they are still on their school wear. Look at big head Michelle, cry baby. Cry baby. Let's go downstairs. You guys are not allowed downstairs, there's too much work going on there. Follow me here. So this is our Hoover. So guys,
I'm going to help you. You help them to take. It's not out.
So guys, this is the Shark Cordless stick vacuum and air wrap. 50% more suction with power fins, and it runs up to like 60 minutes run time. It does have a LED smart display. So let's just quickly run this up. Jackson, are you okay? So guys, I have can you stop shouting? Can you stop?
Okay.
So guys, I just managed to like put it together. Like, it's so easy. I just had to couple this one to the stick, then the stick to the sogging machine, and this one is like, this is used to like hoover the car or sofa, any stuff you want to hoover. So you just have to connect it to this bit here. So I'm just going to quickly, and this one also is for the car. So like, this is going to be really handy for me to clean the car each time the kids make a mess, like they are just here playing. Just take a look at them. The dining has been fixed, so I'm just going to like clean up later.
Yes, Daddy.
Scissors. Okay. Hey loves, good morning. Hope you're all doing great. Welcome to a new vlog. Welcome to a new vlog. Oh, am I adding this clip to the one I recorded? Okay, I think it's going to be a continuation of the vlog I recorded for the fixing of the bed. Yeah, because I haven't picked up my camera since then. So guys, welcome back to the vlog. Hope you're all doing great. Today is Tuesday morning and it's currently like almost 9 a.m. I dropped the kids off breakfast club and I was supposed to go to the gym, but something just came up and I need to like quickly run out to fix it. Yeah, I've got a lot to do today. My car have been giving me some like some issues. I need to go drop it at the garage for them to fix it because I paid money recently to get it done and it's still giving me the same problem, so I'm taking it back to them. So guys, how are you guys doing? Today is Tuesday and I decided to take today off placement so I can get things done. Like, this Monday to Friday placement is a lot and the only time you can get things done is like Monday to Friday, which office are open. So I just had to take today off so I can get one or two stuff done. Yeah, I'm going right now to drop the car at the garage with hubby. The kids, they're all at school and they will be staying at after school club today so I can get enough time to do stuff. And from there I will be going to the bank to sort out one or two stuff, and also going to IKEA if I do have chance to go, because I'm not going to be having a car from like 30 minutes from now. I'm going to be dropping it at the garage, so like I'm going to be jumping from one bus to the other. It's going to be a lot of like struggle today. Yeah, so I'll be going to IKEA to see if I can get some shoe rack, and definitely I'll be taking you guys along. So guys, we finally got the blind fitted. Let me show you guys the blind downstairs, and maybe anytime I go upstairs I'll show you guys. We finally got the blind fitted. This is the one in the kitchen close to the sink. Like, the sink is really messy at the moment, so I'm just going to leave that part. So we got it fitted, and this is the one we also got fitted at the door which leads to the garden. So guys, this was the dining table that I was considering taking, which I was thinking is going to be nice for the space, but I'm not feeling the dining table at all, like not even 0%. If there's anything like -10, that's the feeling I've got for this dining table. So like it's just too small. It's not like working with the dining table with the dining chairs. So I already called the guy on Sunday. Was it on Saturday? Yeah. So they fixed it on Friday, and on Saturday, that Friday night, I couldn't even sleep. That's like when I'm really bothered about something, like it's difficult for me to accept it. So I called him on Saturday first thing, and he accepted to come pick it up so I can get another one. I went there yesterday, and the one I saw there was the same one that I really love, which he was telling me is too big. But I got measurement of the space that I think I will be letting go. So I'm going later to check if the measurement will match with like the space of how big I want the dining to be, and if it works, that means I'll be changing this one this week. Like I don't even want to see it anymore. So guys, that's the issue going on. I don't know if I've told you guys, we got the ties in the living room fitted. So currently the ties have been fitted. I think that was like last 2 weeks Saturday, I guess. Yeah, so we're just waiting. So the ties have been fitted. We're just waiting for the sofa to be delivered this week, and I've taken measurements of what I want to do on the TV unit side. The only issue is that I don't really understand the measurement from the website I'm getting, so I need someone that is like good with stuff like that to like put me through on how to order the stuff that I need. And also we got our blinds. So we've got our blinds, and we now have our privacy. Before now we were just using this like stuff to like cover the window. I think we got it from Wico, where you can use to like stick on the wall. I think it's a stick on wall to like cover up so people from outside doesn't get to see you inside. So that's what we've been using all this while. Yeah. So guys, how was your Mother's Day or Sunday? Hope you guys had fun. I did have fun, and the fun was just too much that I didn't even remember to get any clip. Yeah, so that's it. I'm going out now, and I'll take you guys along. Come on, let's go.
Hello, Liza. How do you do? I'm writing you a letter. I hope it reaches you. I know it's been a long time since you heard from me. I'm still kicking around here in Tennessee. I heard you got a new place. I heard you got a new job. I heard you got a haircut, and it looks real nice. Are you ever lonely? Do you ever think of me? I heard you got a new man. I hope it treats you right. And before you toss this letter away, there's something that I've got to say. And there's something that I've got across the sky can surely take your body sky. But some things stay. Surely take no matter where you go. A new place for a while. Do you still love me? But some things stay. No matter where you go.
See his brush.
Do you still
so wash the bathroom.
Then we turn inside. Try to find a good thing. We can stay in world turns ugly. My turns tell me she's the one that got away. We can stand behind like a gold. My friends tell me she's the one that got away. Else worth thinking of, but you